Today I'll be building a new quad. I got myself a Sunrise Cicada all-in-one F4 flight controller, BioHeli 32 ESCs, PDB, OSD, everything. The whole thing is single stack. This is awesome in my opinion. This old guy, this is my old Power Cube, about 2 years old. So basically everything that's in this big, chunky, stupid looking thing now fits in here. With all the latest technology as well, so hopefully it won't catch fire. All I basically have to do is solder on my wires to these pads for each motor. I'll eventually solder the XT60 on there. Oh, this is going flat already. Then I just solder on the camera, receiver, and the video transmitter, and that's it. Quad built. First off, I'm going to go and sand this frame back and charge my camera up as well.
You've been missing, where you been all this time? Broken or unbroken, regardless you're still mine. 'Cause you belong to me. So hold on to me. Don't forget that I'm the one who made you, the one who's always going to crave you, pull you in, you're my muse. I know you love to be abused. I can show you off like a trophy, pull you in while you're on both knees. Let me show you the way, 'cause you're the only one I ever want to stay. You've been running, are you trying to escape? All that I can offer, come into my embrace. 'Cause you belong to me. So hold on to me. Don't forget that I'm the one who made you, the one who's always going to crave you, pull you in, you're my muse. I know you love to be abused. I can show you off like a trophy, pull you in while you're on both knees. Let me show you the way, 'cause you're the only one I ever want to stay. you're the only one I ever want to stay.